If you want to highlight text in Photoshop quickly and cleanly, this is one of the easiest methods to use, especially if you want a simple block highlight behind your words. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a solid highlight behind text using a shape layer, and I'll also show you an optional trick to make it look a little more natural. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your text is already added to your Photoshop project. This method works best when you already have your text in place and you want to give it that highlighted look without manually drawing anything messy. Now press U on your keyboard to select the rectangle tool. If you see a different shape tool, that's okay. Just click and hold until you find the rectangle tool and select it. Once the rectangle tool is active, look up at the top options bar. Here, you want to set the fill to the color you want your highlight to be. A bright neon yellow is the classic choice because it looks just like a real highlighter, but you can also choose pink, blue, green, or any color that fits your design. After that, make sure the stroke is turned off. This is important because you want a clean block of color, not an outline around it. Now go to your canvas and click and drag a box completely over the text you want to highlight. Try to stretch it so it covers the full width and height of the text area. Don't worry if it looks too big at first, because you can always adjust it after. The goal is to create a solid rectangle that sits behind the text and makes it stand out clearly. Next, open your Layers panel. You should see the new rectangle shape layer sitting above your text layer because Photoshop usually adds new layers on top. All you need to do now is drag that rectangle layer directly underneath your text layer. This step is what makes the text appear on top of the highlight instead of being hidden by it. Once the rectangle is underneath, your highlighted text effect is basically done. If you want to make it look even better, you can fine-tune the size and position. Use the Move tool if needed and line up the rectangle so it looks balanced behind the text. If the highlight is too tall or too wide, you can transform it and resize it until it fits just right. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how polished your design looks. And here's an optional tip if you want the text to bleed through the marker texture slightly, which can give it a more realistic highlighter effect. Click the rectangle layer in your Layers panel, then change the blend mode from normal to multiply. This can help the highlight feel a little less flat and a little more organic, especially if you're working with handwritten or stylized text. It's a subtle effect, but it can really improve the final look. So to recap, press U to choose the rectangle tool, set your fill color, turn stroke off, drag a shape over your text, move the rectangle layer underneath the text layer, and optionally switch the blend mode to multiply for a more natural look. That's the quickest way to highlight text in Photoshop using a clean block style. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, design tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.